How to download Instagram photos in HD quality. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can download the Instagram photos in HD quality. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do that. If you want to download the Instagram photos in HD quality, you can head over to Instagram first, and after you are there, you can head over to profile in the bottom right corner. From here, head over to the menu bar at the top right corner, and from here you need to scroll down from the menu and get to the section where it says data uses and media quality. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you'll be finding this option called upload at highest quality. Just go ahead and turn this option on, and once that is done, you're gonna go ahead and upload the photo in highest quality. But before that, you can find this option called archiving and download under your app and media. You can just go ahead and tap on it. After that, you can find this option called save original photos to camera roll. So you can tap on this option, and when that is done, when you post a photo in your Instagram, it will upload at the highest quality and also be saved into your device. So that is how you download Instagram photos in HD quality, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.